Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about UXIN. Okay, as you can see right here, we have UXIN. That's how I pronounce it. Basically, it's UXIN Limited. I know a lot of people do not know what this company is. Basically, I would just talk about it in just quick, simple words about the company. Okay, so UXIN Limited is an investment holding company, and it operates as a used car e-commerce platform in China. Okay, it provides a selection of used cars, evolution of car condition, and various of car related value-added products and services, and supporting a service to online used car transactions under the UXIN used car brand. Okay, and operates a UXIN auction. Okay, an application that helps business buyers and to source vehicles through online auctions. The company also facilitates used car transactions services, and it's financing the solutions offered by the third-party financing partners to buyers for their used car purchase through the websites xin.com and uxinpai.com. UXIN Limited was incorporated in 2011, and it is headquartered in Beijing, China. Okay, so that's about it. The UXIN. This is how, as you can see. I mean, you have already you have been seeing that when I read the article right there on Yahoo Finance. And as you can see, I did make a video about it, but the video was only like 50 seconds long. I don't know why. Like, why was that? But as you can see, um, I have some lines set up right here. Like, why is that? Because these are some great trend lines. As you can see, close to the close right there and open, and so on and so on. But like, personally for me, I still think that this could push to the downside, and it will continue to push to the downside. I'm not saying that this company is shit or something like that. Like, props to the people who hold them. But as you can see, this is sitting at a pretty high volatile area, and it is kind of in a retail zone. So that's why I think that it will kind of continue to push to the downside, and it is in a downtrend. So a lot of things are kind of happening, and if you use the Fibonacci, as you can see, it is in the golden zone right here. So another like catalyst right there. So this is why I think it could kind of push to the downside, right around these areas right here. And this is not to kind of for the people who are holding this to kind of take their hopes away. This is for the people who are like looking for buy setups right here. Okay, and then kind of for a position, not for a option or trade or like that. We're holding only positions right here. Okay, so yeah, let me know what are your thoughts. Have some buy limits for those of you who are invested into this. It can even push to the downside right here. I will have this prediction right there, and peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.